Hello, today we are visiting two famous forts in Muscat, which are Mirani and al-Jalali forts. Right now we are driving from Matra through Al-Alam road to reach our destination. We are approaching the forts. The one which you see in front is Fort Mirani. As I mentioned in my previous Al-Alam Palace video, these forts are neighboring the Palace Al-Alam. This looks magnificent but looks more impressive from the sea. Both these forts are located in the harbour of Old Muscat, Oman, and these were built by the Portuguese in 1580s. Although these are not open for the public, but its presence looms large over the harbour and contributes to the iconic view of the Muscat. They are excellent castles, mainly protecting access from the sea. Al-Mirani Fort has a special place in history as it contributed to the fall of Portuguese in Oman. By the 20th century, al-Jalali was used as Oman's main prison, but this function ended in the year of 1970. Al-Jalali Fort was restored in 1983 and converted into a private museum of Omani cultural history that is accessible only to dignitaries visiting the country. The naval base building of Oman is also located next to the Al-Mirani Fort in the port of Muscat. We are signing off today. If you like our video content, press the like button below to encourage us further. Thank you.